considering my age, 40 years, when have invested into my first property, how far can I go in building a portfolio? Assuming I can be cash flow neutral or positive. Retirement age is 67. Yeah, obviously, I'm also towards 40, I would say. So the better, the earlier you start, the better. It's true, but most importantly is really start and then see also about your financial, right? If you're 40, you might have also some cash aside, right? You might go with a little bit more down payment, considering that you're gonna reach your retirement age. But even that, when you're investing into a property, guys, don't think you have to hold a property for 25, 35 years. Okay, the goal here, it really depends on the property. Hold it 10 years, see how it goes. If it gives you a great cash flow and you haven't still paid it off, okay, you will eventually pay it off, you refinance it. But if you say, wow, this property, I don't know, I want to sell it because it got so good or because I want to buy another property, you get rid of it and don't pay taxes on a capital gain. But here is, I would say, yeah, this is an individual perspective, right? We have to, or you have to look at numbers here.
Yeah, and the goal.
The goal,
And the
exactly.
goal. And I think with 40 is still, if we take a look at it, what's the standard mortgage that we had on the screen just a minute ago, right? It's 2% principal.
Yeah.
And with right around 2% principal and 4% interest, what plus minus we have these days, then the standard mortgage pays itself off in like 25 years,
Yep.
something like 23, 25 years. We would have to calculate exactly. And when you're 40 now, and you do the standard mortgage as everybody else in your mid 60s, it's paid off anyway. What the banks kind of want, right? They don't want you to drag the mortgage until retirement age. So I think you're actually, let's say, at the later age of the last cycle. That makes sense. So start now, and then you can just get the standard mortgage, pay it off until retirement age, all the properties that you're gonna buy over the next couple of years, and then when you retire, you ride into the sunset debt free, basically.
Absolutely.